All right, what's up? Today, me and my son Charlie, we're going to try to move this bighorn safe. It's 435 pounds, and I can't get it up with the dolly. So we're going to try some old Egyptian method here. And we're going to move it from here to there on the wall, right there. So I think the best way to do it is first, I'm going to turn it the way I want it. So it'll be this right here, facing that. So I'm going to turn the safe like this, and then we're going to put some shit under it and roll it. And me and Charlie are just two average people. We've probably never done this. I've never done it. He's definitely never done it. So we're going to see how easy it is for two basic mofos to move this thing. All right, me and Charlie got the safes up. We did switch one thing. I didn't have it facing the way I wanted to, because we figured once we get it done at the end, it's just as easy to turn it around at the end as it is right here to go. So either way, you got to turn it. So we figured we'll turn it at the end. So this is what we're using the movie with. I don't know if you can see me or what, if it's showing just my feet. Either way, we chose two wooden sticks. I had a number of different ones. I had shit like this and some metal ones, but you know what? Those would have probably smushed. I think wooden ones are the best. Actually, those wooden stakes that they used to put trees in with, to hold the trees up with, I think those are probably hella good. And especially if you're going over more of a rough surface like gravel or something, those are bigger, probably roll better. But we're gonna use two of these. We're gonna stick one under it, get it rolling. As it gets rolling, we're gonna put another one in front, and so on and so forth. We'll take the one out of the back, put another one in the front. We'll just keep it going until we get down to the end. So we're gonna start like this.
I can't see.
So I'm gonna put this one like right here for now, Charlie. And I think we'll be able to get right up on it still, you know what I mean? And then once we'll get it on this one, we'll roll it. It'll go on this one, we'll roll it. Once that one gets to the back, I'm gonna pull it out and hand it to you, and you put it up here again, okay? Just like this much far apart. We'll just keep doing that. We'll just keep rolling it, okay? When we get to here though, let's make sure we put it on top.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna lift it up. You're gonna put it under. Remember, this is just two average Joes who don't know Jack.
So wait, where do I put this one again?
Right there, sit, right there, sit.
Okay.
Okay. Straighten it out a little bit.
Okay.
No, straighten it. So, right there, sit. Perfect. Okay. I'll go behind, I'll start rolling it. Let's just make sure it gets on this one. Rosie out. Make sure it gets on to the next one. You might want to roll a little bit closer to start with. We'll do it like this, you know what I mean? Okay, ready? Here we go, let's start rolling, okay? Just make sure when we get to that one, it gets on it, okay?
It's on it.
We're gonna roll. Okay, once that one comes up the back, all right, go ahead, put it in the front now. Cool? Okay. All right. This is a 435-pound safe, by the way. Charlie, move the stick back this way more. You see we're gonna hit the weight set right there. You see that? Just slide that way.
This one?
Yeah. No, the other one. Yeah.
We could go.
Okay, that's good right there.
Yeah.
All right, ready? Here we go. All right. I'm getting in front. I'm gonna try to roll a little bit more, Charlie, so we can get right past the weight set, okay? Because you see how that thing's in the way right there?
Uh-huh. Here, I could put them on right now.
All right, go ahead. Cool?
It's gonna touch the weight set.
It's,
Or
no,
no,
it's not. Oh, the other one will, but that's okay. We're gonna go right past it. All right. Grab that one from in front. This works out good, huh?
Yeah.
No strain whatsoever.
We're about to.
Let's do one more. We'll go a little bit closer.
Okay, we're good. And you're about to, or keep
Okay.
going. Keep going.
Well,
Yep.
I think that'll be good right there. So I'm gonna lean it forward. We'll probably just have to drop it. Okay, ready? I'm gonna lean it forward. Pull that other stick out. Can you get it? Okay. And actually, we're gonna leave that other one, Charlie. I'm gonna tilt it back. I want you to put it right up against the, right up against this right here. Okay? That piece of concrete right there.
Right in front of it, like right here.
Yeah, because I want to be able to have it up. See how there's a piece of wood here? Okay, well, the mirror's moving. You should be able to get it back there.
Yeah. It needs to go a little.
Go like that. There you go. Perfect. It's in place. Bada bing, bada boom. That was super easy, huh? High five. Man, that was hell easy. 435 pound safe like that. That's what's